Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened and your window shades are drawn up. Mobile phones and all portable electronic devices are to be in flight safe mode. Headphones or earbuds must not be worn, and charging of portable electronic devices are not allowed during taxi and takeoff until seatbelt signs are switched off. Thank you.